Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. You know, if you do enough off-roading, eventually you're going to need to pull line, either to save yourself or someone else on the trail. And now we've got you set up for the latest generation Tacoma with our Hidden Winch kit. The mount integrates behind the factory front bumper cover for a truly hidden install. The winch tray as well as the mounts are made out of 7-gauge steel, and the front skid plate and differential skid plate that are included are made out of 11-gauge steel. And all those pieces come powder coated in our satin black for years of service. Now this is a bolt-on structural design for easier install, and our wing supports bolt directly to the factory intrusion bars, further strengthening the entire kit. And of course, all of our installation hardware is included. Now it does require cutting the front bumper cover for the winch line and the fair lead to pass through. The kit is designed to accept synthetic rope winches only. It's designed around our Pro 9500S and Pro 12000S series of winches. And speaking of winches, the kit's going to come with an extension for your wired controller so you can mount it under hood for easy access. The Hidden Winch mount is available as a standalone kit, or you can pair it with one of our synthetic winches. So if you've got the latest generation Toyota Tacoma and you're ready to add a winch to your recovery solutions, check out our Hidden Winch mount kit and synthetic winches. Available today at roughcountry.com.